Stop scrolling because this might be the most important message you will hear this week. I don't know what you have lost. Maybe your job, maybe your business, maybe your marriage, or maybe you have lost yourself. But listen to me carefully. You can rebuild your life, even if everything has fallen apart. And today, I will show you how. This is how to rebuild your life from nothing. Step 1, accept what happened. Don't deny it. The reason for this is you can't rebuild what you refuse to admit is broken. Stop pretending you are fine when you are bleeding inside. Stop acting strong just to please people. Healing begins when truth enters. Say to yourself, yes, I fell. Yes, I lost. But this is not the end of my story. Acceptance is not weakness, it's the beginning of strength. The second step is stop blaming people. Start owning your life. The day you stop saying, they ruined my life, and start saying, I will rebuild it, that's the day your comeback begins. People may hurt you, yes, but if you keep handling them with pen, they will keep writing your story. Take it back, own your narrative. Say from today, my life is my responsibility. The third step is forgive fast and move forward faster. Holding on to pain is like hugging fire. You will keep burning yourself. You don't heal by holding grudges. You heal by releasing them. Forgiveness doesn't mean they were right. It means that you are ready to move on. You cannot build a new future with a heart full of bitterness. Step 4, refine who you are. You are not your past. You are not your mistakes. You are not what you lost. You are who you decide to become now. Write it down. This is who I am becoming. Speak it until your mind believes it, because your identity determines your direction. Step 5, start small but start strong. Don't wait for everything to be perfect before you move. Start with what you have, where you are, and who you are. A seed doesn't look like a forest, but it carries one inside it. Your life can multiply again if you plant the little that is left. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Step 6, rebuild your routine. Your routine builds your reality. Wake up early, pray, read, think, walk, move your body. Discipline is the bridge between the person you are and the person you are trying to become. Structure your days because broken focus builds broken lives. Step 7, choose people who breathe life into you. When you are rebuilding, you don't need a crowd, you need clarity. Avoid people who only remind you of your pain. Stay close to those who believe in your rise. Energy is contagious, so stay around people whose presence feel like purpose, not pressure. Step 8, learn from the fall. Every pain carries a lesson. Ask yourself, what did this season teach me? Maybe it taught you patience. Maybe it exposed your weaknesses. Maybe it showed you who was real and who was around you for the good times. Don't waste the pain, turn it into wisdom. Step 9, believe in process, not speed. Rebuilding takes time. It might not look like progress the first time, but the seed grows before the fruit shows. Be patient with yourself. Don't compare your beginning with someone else's middle. Slow progress is still progress. Step 10, anchor your faith. When life has stripped you to nothing, God becomes your everything. He specializes in rebuilding broken people. You may not understand this now, but one day you will look back and say, that breakdown was my breakthrough. Faith doesn't remove the storm, it gives you peace in it. Hold on, you are not finished. You can lose everything and still not lose your destiny. You can start again and still win again, because the God who made you doesn't retire when life gets hard. Your story is not over. It's just under construction. So stand up, wipe your tears, and start again. Because from nothing, God is about to build something beautiful. If this message touched your heart, drop a love in the comments. Share it with someone who feels like giving up. And follow for more life-changing wisdom, because your comeback starts now.